Hôm nay là 17 tháng 7, em tên là Như Ý, em xin đọc bài báo. From VOA Learning English, this is the science report. Weather experts say this year could be the strongest El Nino event in recorded history. They say it could lead to severe weather conditions in many parts of the world. El Nino is Spanish for the child. The event actually begin in December. El Nino develops when winds of the west coast of the South America weaken. This permits warm water in the western Pacific to expand toward the east and the Americas. At the same time, clouds and rains over the water warm also moves east. El Nino conditions happen about twice every 10 years. Usually the conditions continue for about 12 to 18 months. They bring warm weather to some areas. The areas also become wetter than normal. However, El Nino can lead to droughts in other areas. Eastern Africa, Kenya, and Uganda are preparing for possible flooding because of El Nino. Yet two countries to the south, Malawi and South Africa, are already dealing with extremely dry weather. The United Nations Children's Fund warns that many people are at risk from hunger, disease, and water shortage. Resulting from this El Nino is an Southern Africa is warm. Up to 11 million children could be affected. Weather changes caused by El Nino depended on its trend. In the early 1980s, strong El Ninos were linked to dry weather in Australia and Asia. Rains and flooding in South America and high temperature in much of the United States. 10 years later, a small El Nino caused flooding in part of the U.S. For VOA Learning English, I'm Calorie. Please stay.